Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage web development with WordPress, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage web development with WordPress effectively, start by selecting a reliable hosting provider. Research different hosting options that support WordPress installations. Sign up for an account and choose a plan that fits your needs. After purchasing your hosting plan, locate the one-click WordPress installation option. Complete the installation process by following the prompts provided by your hosting service. Once WordPress is installed, access your WordPress dashboard by navigating to your site's URL followed by /wp-admin. Log in using the credentials created during installation. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout in key sections such as posts, pages, and appearance. Begin by selecting a theme that suits your website's purpose. Navigate to the Appearance section and click on Themes. Browse available themes or upload a new one if you have a specific design in mind. Activate the chosen theme to see the changes applied to your site. Next, customize your theme by clicking on the Customize link under the Appearance section. Adjust settings like site identity, colors, header image, and menus to reflect your brand. Now, it's time to create essential pages such as Home, About, and Contact. Click on Pages in the dashboard and then select Add New. Enter a title and content for each page, using the block editor for formatting. Publish each page once you are satisfied with the content. To enhance your site's functionality, explore plugins. Go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Search for plugins that meet your specific requirements, like SEO or security. Install and activate the plugins you choose. Regularly update your plugins and themes for optimal performance and security. After setting up the main structure, create and schedule blog posts under the Posts section. Use categories and tags to organize content effectively. Review your site's settings in the Settings section for crucial configurations like time zone and permalink structure. Finally, test your website by navigating through the pages to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Monitor site performance and analytics using tools like Google Analytics or built-in WordPress features. Regular maintenance and updates will keep your WordPress site secure and running efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.